Yo, what's up, traders? So, Clay here, weekly outlook video. The first full-on week of 2025. Let's absolutely crush it this year, everybody. So, diving into it, and this is NFP week. Markets, I'm shooting this on Friday. We're starting to get some movement back in the market. So, I think January is going to be a big month. Obviously, towards the end of the month, we're going to have Trump get inaugurated, so that's going to be a huge deal, probably even more so for crypto. So that's going to be big. So our big data is NFP. That's really what to keep in mind. Unemployment claims on Thursday. So diving into some of the charts here. Man, the dollar has been absolutely dominating. So if we're looking at Aussie dollar, Euro USD, there's some really good entry possibilities right here. Now, you know, this was on the 30th of December, rolling over to going over New Year's. So, you know, more than likely, it's a bit of a gamble trying to trade during that time. So I didn't. Pound has been getting straight annihilated against the dollar. So, you know, some interesting moves that have happened since Christmas. And, you know, I think this is going to really just kind of highlight, taking a look at the dollar index, the sentiment towards the dollar as we go into the inauguration of Trump coming into office. So let's take a look, since I mentioned it as well, at BTC. Right under 97K, and you know, we really have been consolidating after that pullback. But if we take a look at it on that daily chart, man, we are prepped up for a pretty serious move. So exciting stuff for sure. If you have any cryptos or Bitcoin or potentially want to get in, that could be a great time to do it. So S&P 500 sitting on a very similar level of support here. NASDAQ. And hopefully you can see kind of where I'm going with this. Markets are kind of camping out until the 20th, right? Or I believe that's when the inauguration is. And, you know, we're a long ways away, a couple weeks. Anything could happen. Things have been getting crazy in the news in the U.S. over the past week, you know. So a lot can happen between now and then. So some other worth noting, if I go back to the 4-hour time frame here, take a look at some of these yen pairs. Kind of going sideways here. But I am looking for potentially a move higher in a lot of these yen pairs, and I think we will be able to see more in that in the next couple weeks. NFP for sure. This was a trade I took on NZDJPY, not getting much follow through on it, but I like it. So we'll see. We'll see how that pans out. Let's take a look at dollar CAD too. Last but not least, in absolute beast mode here after this consolidation. Looking to make it the next move higher. And if we look at gold, it was really trying to make some big moves, comebacks here. But after the election, which takes us back to right here. This was the election. Resurgence of the dollar, and gold has not been able to make a comeback here as of late. So it'll be interesting to see how that pans out. It'll be interesting to see how it goes going into NFP, first NFP of the year. Let's crush it, everybody. We appreciate y'all. 2025 is going to be your year as a trader.